Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Top Fin Mini Gravel Vacuum. First, let's get everything set up. Connect the wide, rigid tube to the flexible hose. Then, attach the hose to the side of your empty bucket with the provided clip. Make sure your bucket is placed on the floor, significantly lower than your aquarium, to create the necessary siphon effect for efficient cleaning. Now, let's get that siphon going. Submerge the wide end of the vacuum tube fully into your aquarium water. With a swift, repetitive up and down motion, pump the tube a few times. You'll soon see water beginning to flow through the hose and into your bucket. This indicates that the siphon has successfully started and you're ready to begin cleaning. With the siphon active, it's time to clean. Gently push the wide tube about 1 to 2 inches deep into your aquarium gravel. You'll see debris and waste being pulled up and out with the water. Work in small sections, slowly moving the vacuum across the substrate. Be mindful of the water level in your bucket. Aim to remove about 20 to 30% of your tank's water during this process. Once you've removed the desired amount of water, typically around 25% of the tank's volume, carefully lift the vacuum out of the aquarium. Disconnect the hose from the rigid tube and rinse both parts thoroughly with clean, dechlorinated water. This prevents any residue buildup. Finally, store your Top Fin Mini Gravel Vacuum in a dry, clean spot, ready for your next aquarium maintenance session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.